Asian apple pie. What's not to like? Welcome back to my kitchen, guys, and this is what we're going to be cooking today. Really tasty, really easy, and it's different. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like and give me a share, and without further ado, we're going to make a start. Sausage and apple pie recipe. For this recipe we're going to need these following ingredients. Some lovely fresh sausages. Sausages of your choice. We're also going to need some store-bought apple sauce. A couple of egg yolks, just the yolks, we don't need the white. We're going to need some puff pastry too, store-bought, and of course our old friends, salt and pepper. First we need to take the insides out of some of the sausages, not all of them. Just cut them in half and squish it out using your fingers. Then we're going to need some whole sausages cut in 2/3. You'll see why in a minute. We take a sheet of baking paper and put a little dusting of flour over the top. Then we can place our pastry on there and cut that in half. To be fair, you don't get a lot of pastry in one of these packs, but there you go. C'est la vie. Put your sausage pieces on there in a circle. Nice and neatly. Even space them out so they're even. There we go, just like that. Then we're going to place some of the sausage meat on the base of the pastry, followed by some apple sauce. I'll put about 2 spoonfuls on here, that should be enough. Put any more on and it might leak out. Then put the rest of your sausage meat on the top, sort of like in a little mound. Tuck it all in together nice and neatly. Then we're going to pop on a little bit of seasoning. Firstly the salt, well, it doesn't matter which order you go on. And then some lovely freshly ground black pepper to give it that little bit of a kick, a little bit of heat. Cover it up with the other half of the pastry. Get it as neat as you can, and then we can tuck it all in nice and tightly using the hands and pressing the 2 pieces of pastry together so that they stick. Then we can cut a circle round here using a normal kitchen knife, nothing really sharp, fairly blunt. I mean, it's going to cut quite easily, after all it's just ready-made pastry. Then we're going to crimp all around the edge using a kitchen fork. This is going to seal it all in nicely. And of course we're going to need an egg wash. I've just used egg yolks, gives it a lovely glaze, lovely brown and crusty looking when it's finished. So we're going to go all the way over with this, and don't forget those little crevices left by the fork. Tuck some egg wash in all of those. Then comes the artistic part. We're going to take our knife again and we're going to make little slices, not right through the pastry, just through the egg wash. And while you're doing this, turn your pie using the other hand and trying to get these little slices to look sort of, how should I say, sort of twisted on a slant, a bit like this. And make sure that your knife reveals the pastry underneath. Then we can transfer this onto a baking tray ready for the oven. Then it's into the oven, gas mark 5, for about 25 minutes until it's really brown on the top, like this. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Lovely brown colour. It smells great too. Lovely crust on the top. And cooking it like this, it gets the crust all the way round too. And it's on the bottom, as you can see. Beautiful. Oh my word, look at it. I can't wait to tuck in. And tuck in I will. Well, thanks so much for watching my sausage and apple pie. It turned out really tasty. I was well pleased with that. Try it for yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. So bye from Rog and bye from my kitchen.